Greetings, welcome to my channel, View from my desktop. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Arylic S10 wireless streaming preamp. Okay. Comes with a user manual. That's good. I opened it earlier, so I better do an unboxing. Comes with a remote. Pretty nice remote at that. I mean, pretty good remote. No batteries. It's kind of odd. Most things do come with batteries these days. Adaptor plug. .5 to RCA. A little bit of length to it also, but I mostly use my own plugs, and it has 3.5 plugs. This one's single. Okay. And then we have, so this was already, I don't know what this one's. Alright, and come with the Arylic itself. Pour the stuff on. Has the LAN input here, USB, auxiliary in, auxiliary out, and the plug for the 5-volt and reset button. That's pretty much it. Not a whole lot on this here. Mostly you will control with the remote. But works pretty good. From the Spotify Connect. And that's it. This is a good, reasonable price. If you're looking to have a network connection for streaming, this is I think the better of the affordable ones, and the Arylic and the other ones in this under $100 range. I like the Arylic over, and it comes, of course, it comes with a remote. I'm gonna get pay extra for a remote. So we're actually under $80. Right now it's under $60, but this I think is the best choice for the budget-friendly streamer. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.